Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your hair color on your selfies on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the gallery button down below and select a picture. Then slide to the right side of the screen until you find the hair colors option. Here tap on the relevant filter that you want to apply, and you can adjust the hair color, the shade of the color in the middle of the screen by using this slide. If you swipe to the right side of the screen, you can see that you can choose from a bunch of other hair colors such as blonde, dark, shiny hair, brown hair, colored hair, and so on, but you need to be a premium member to apply these filters, so the only one which is available is the black filter. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.